Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a Ford Fiesta tire. Park on level ground, engage the handbrake, and place wheel chocks. Loosen lug nuts slightly before jacking. Use a proper jack under reinforced jacking point. Raise the car until tire clears, remove lug nuts, swap in the spare, hand-tighten nuts, lower the car, then torque nuts in a star pattern. Check tire pressure and stow tools. Start by gathering tools: spare, lug wrench, jack, wheel chocks, and tire pressure gauge. Confirm the jack is in good condition and use gloves and eye protection. Review the Fiesta owner's manual for exact jacking points and wheel nut torque specifications. Keep clear of traffic and wear high-visibility clothing if roadside. Photograph wheel orientation before removal and never work under a car supported only by. Loosen the wheel nuts one turn while the car is still on the ground. Position the jack under the reinforced point nearest the punctured wheel and raise until tire is off the ground. Remove nuts and wheel, mount the spare, hand start nuts, lower the car, then tighten nuts to the correct torque in a 6-point star or cross pattern. Store the flat tire securely and check spare pressure before driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.